Hi everyone, today we will learn how to do Kansa wand foot massage on your feet. After learning how to do it on your face for a glowing complexion, on your head for nourished healthy hair, now we will learn how to use Kansa wand on your feet. Now the most important thing is, why should we use it on feet? See, most of the nerves, around 2000 nerves, pass from our sole of the feet, and you have most of your mama points situated in your feet, which are directly related to your organs in the body. So when you do a Kansa wand foot massage, it's not only for your feet, it's for your whole body. We use ghee in this massage and not any oil or serums. The massage, when you do, it is very, very comforting. It revives up your feet. It will loosen up your stiff feet. So when you do the massage, you will feel that you are feeling energized. You will feel peaceful. You will get a very nice, comforting, peaceful sleep at night. There will be no disturbances. If you snore, your snoring problems become less. You have all the inflammations and toxins are, they are pent out of the body by this massage. And the most important thing which happens with the Kansa wand foot massage is your stomach problems are taken care of. Acidity reduces, your bloating reduces. If you are having any IBS symptoms, they also lessen. That's why we use ghee, because ghee is calming. So it will, if you are working in a hot environment, if you are feeling stressed out, if you are working in a very humid conditions and you are working in a hot condition, come home at night, do a Kansa wand massage with ghee. You will feel cool, you will feel calm. It is very, very relaxing. So let's learn how to do a Kansa wand foot massage. Thank you. Sit comfortably, bending your one leg over the other so that you can massage your leg properly. Take some ghee and apply properly on your feet. Then do back and forth movements from your heel of the foot to up the base of the toe. Back and forth movement. Do viper movements. The way car viper moves. Yeah, swish it. Do circular, clockwise and anti-clockwise movements on the sides of your feet. Do circular motions around your feet, on the feet. Focus more on your heel area. Doing circular, clockwise and anti-clockwise movements. Then go to the base of your feet, doing clockwise and anti-clockwise movements on the base of your feet. This is a very important area and we should focus properly on this area. Now focus on your toes, doing circular, clockwise and anti-clockwise movements on your feet, on your toes. Focusing individually on every finger, on every toe. Doing it in clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now focusing on the line between the toes and the base of the feet. Make an 8 while doing the massage. This is the most relaxing part of the massage. Now do on the front of the foot in back and forth movements on the whole feet. Wipe Kansa wand and your feet before getting off. Wipe it properly and store it in the box. Wipe your feet before getting up, otherwise you may slip.